The world has not become a bad place because the bad people doing bad things. But they say the world has become a bad place not purely become bad people doing bad things. But when bad people doing bad things, the good people keep silent and ignore and bypass as nothing has happened. That's indeed it is the reason. So what do the good people can do when bad people do bad things? Not many. You can't change the world the way you want to have, kind of a utopia, kind of a status as you feel and think should be. The world consisting of diversity of people with different aspirations and requirements and needs and things like that. So the good and bad happens most of the time. But when I was wondering many times, people are more inclined to listen to bad news, the negative news, depressing news, sad news. And sometimes on the social media, many people are sending many clips early in the morning, all about the corruption, the negative thing, the sad things, the accidents, the quarrels and the conflicts and various things that people are having early in the morning. In fact, I delete immediately and somebody sends some sort of a negative or a bad news or a bad things early in the morning. We need to be aware of what is happening in the world. But when you become a victim and a channel to pass the bad news, the sad news, the depressing news to others, you are really creating a more chaos in the world. And if you are a good person who wants to have good things to happen in the world, and you want harmony, the peace, the loving kindness, without any bad things, wrong things happening, it's up to you to report the right things, to inspire people with the right things. I really do not like people who are posting to me the sad stories. We hear every day, we are experiencing that. So I don't need to get it more on the social media. The negative stories, what is happening in different institutions, the governments and the countries and things like that. We hear that early every time. But early in the morning to have more clips coming like that is something disastrous. So don't become a victim and passing negative stories, depressing stories, sad things, the corruption and various things that is happening. It is always there. So when the bad people do bad things, what the good people can do is not report about it. What the good people can do is report about the good things. There are many other people also doing good things. You are doing good things. You can do good things. And many others are doing good things. Why don't you identify those good things, what the good people are doing? Pass it on the social media. Pass it to others. Let that be an inspiration. Instead of passing all the negative stories about the corruption, the accidents, this, that and the other, all that are depressing every morning when you are sending clips. And somebody send me that kind of clips, immediately I delete. Because I don't want to have my day started with a depressing story, sad news, a bad news, accident that happened somewhere. Anyway, those news will come to you, but you don't need to get it to your hand early morning. Ladies and gentlemen, the world is a bad place, not because of bad people doing bad things, but the good people are passing the information about the bad people more often and telling the people a lot of bad things are happening in the world. And bypassing the good things, we need time. It is time now that we showcase the good things done by the good people, inspire many people and say that this planet can be a good place to live and create that harmonization that is needed for one another.